Greetings, this is Mr. Caslin. We're going to do a little SAT math today. This question comes from SAT Question of the Day. It's a database of old SAT questions. There's a website and a smartphone app that you can practice these on a daily or weekly basis. Now, notice if you've been doing many of these, a lot of word problems on the SAT. So you got to practice those to get used to them. Okay, in this problem, a gasoline tank on a certain tractor holds 16 gallons of gasoline. If the tractor requires 7 gallons to plow 3 acres, how many acres can the tractor plow with a tank full of gasoline? Now, if this is the first time you've seen this problem, go ahead and pause now and work it out, and then check your answer with the video. Alright, for those of you that stuck around, let's start laying this out. Okay. Probably the best strategy is to figure out how many gallons are required for 1 acre. Okay, so we know for 3 acres require 7 gallons. Okay, now what makes this problem difficult is notice none of these numbers are divisible by the other, so we're going to have some decimals of fractions. Now notice that the possible answers are all in fractions. Okay, so again, we're trying to figure out how many acres can we plow with 1 gallon? Okay, so to convert 7 into 1, we'd have to divide by 7, right? If we divided this denominator by 7, okay, we'd have to, let's also divide the numerator by 7. Okay, now that doesn't divide evenly, so we're just going to call that 3/7. Now notice I left it as a fraction because I know that the answer has a fraction in it. Okay, so we can only do 3/7 of an acre with a gallon of gas on this tractor. Okay, so we know for each gallon how many acres we can do. So how many acres can the tractor plow with a tank full of gasoline? So for 16 gallons, well, we know with 7 gallons we can do 3. Okay, with 7 gallons we can do 3. Okay, so another 7 gallons, we can do 3 more. So we're up to 14 gallons and we've done 6 acres. Okay, now how many acres are left? This is 14, I'm sorry, how many gallons are left? We've got 14 gallons and we had a 16-gallon tank. So there's 2 gallons left. Okay, that's where we're going to reuse our conversion here. We know for 1 gallon we need 3/7. So we need 2 more. We have 2 more gallons left. We can do basically 6/7 of an acre. So how many acres can we plow? We can do 6 plus 3/7 plus another 3/7 is 6 and 6/7. Now remember, when you're adding fractions, you have a common denominator. Only add the numerators, 6 and 6/7, which is answer A. Now you could have done this problem, flip these around and done gallons over acres. As long as you're consistent all the way across, you can do acres over gallons or gallons over acres. Okay, this is just one way to do the problem. You may see, talk to somebody good math or another math teacher, they may have a different way of doing it. But so this is just one way of doing it. Watch this video a couple times if you need to. But you're going to see a lot of word problems and a lot of fraction math on your SAT, so you want to practice as many of those types of problems as you can. All right, until next time.